Magandang araw sa lahat. Today, I would like to share my wonderful experience at a Korean Chinese restaurant here in Chapa, Istanbul. Isa sa mga lugar na talagang masasabi mong napakasarap ng pagkain at sulit balikan. Living in Istanbul, we are lucky because the city offers many international cuisines. Pero minsan, may mga lugar na talagang tumatatak sa puso mo dahil sa sarap ng pagkain at sa ganda ng experience. And for me, this Korean Chinese restaurant in Chapa is one of those special places. Pagpasok pa lang sa restaurant, you can already feel the warmth and welcoming atmosphere. Simple but cozy ang interior. Malinis, maayos at very comfortable. The staff are friendly and accommodating, which makes the dining experience even better. Kapag maayos ang service, mas maayos mong na-appreciate ang pagkain. Now let's talk about the food because this is really the highlight. Ang Korean Chinese cuisine ay kombinasyon ng Chinese cooking style at Korean flavors. Isa sa pinakasikat na pagkain nila ay ang jjajangmyeon. Noodles with thick black bean sauce. When the dish arrived, mabango, napakabango, as in mabango. Alam mong sa amoy pa lang masarap na talaga. The noodles were perfectly cooked and the sauce was rich, savory, and slightly sweet. Every bite was satisfying. And another one, ito ay isa sa pinaka-favorite ko, jampong, a spicy seafood noodle soup. Kung mahilig ka sa maanghang na dish, ito ay perfect para sa'yo. Mainit, flavorful at punong-puno ng seafood at vegetables. Talagang comforting, especially during cold days here in Istanbul. At umorder pala ako ng aking panibagong soup, noodle with soup. Ito yung dana soup nila. Napakasarap. At dalawang, alam mo nitong pao, yung sade bread sa kanila dito. Sade ekmek. Napakasarap niyan, as in. Kung taga-Asia ka, from Philippines, Singapore, China, Thailand, Vietnam, o kung saan, any part sa Asia, kung saan man na parte ng Asia, alam mo itong pagkain na ito. At syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang tamsuyok, which is a Korean-style sweet and sour fried meat. Ito, isa sa pinaka-favorite ko. Crispy sa labas, tender sa loob. At perfectly balanced and sweet and sour sauce. This dish perfect for sharing with friends or family. Habang kumakain ako, I realized that good food is not just about taste. It's about the experience, the comfort, and the happiness it brings. Kapag masarap ang pagkain, parang nawawala ang pagod mo sa buong araw. Another thing I appreciate about the restaurant is the portion size. Generous ang servings, kaya sulit ang bayad. Hindi ka mabibitin, and it's great for group dining. Perfect place ito sa gusto mong kumain kasama ang mga kaibigan, pamilya, o kahit mag-isa kang gusto mo lang ng comfort food. For Filipinos, Asian nationalities, who's living abroad like here in Istanbul, finding a place where food feels comforting is very important. Minsan, nakaka-homesick, pero kapag nakakakain ka ng masarap, kahit international cuisine pa yan, it gives you a sense of happiness and comfort. What makes this place special is consistency. Hindi lang isang beses masarap. Every visit, the quality remains the same. That's why many customers come back again and again. And the location in Chapa is also convenient. Accessible siya. And the area is lively but not too crowded. After eating, you can even take a short walk around the neighborhood. Kung ikaw ay mahilig sa Asian food, or if you want to try something new, I highly recommend visiting the Korean Chinese restaurant. Whether you like noodles, soup, or fried dishes, siguradong may magugustuhan ka. In conclusion, the dining experience reminded me that food connects people and cultures. From Korea to China, and now here in Istanbul, we get to enjoy flavors from different parts of the world. And truly, masasabi ko, napakasarap ng pagkain, maganda ang serbisyo, at sulit ang experience. So, if you are in Istanbul, especially near Chapa, or any part ng Istanbul, na kaya nyo mang magbiyahe papunta doon, magme-metro lang kayo or magbabas, hindi kayo malulugi doon. Kasi, kahit mag-effort kayo, yung cravings ninyo sa pagkain ng Asian food, sulit na sulit dahil sa sarap at quality ng pagkain na isi-serve sa inyo. So if you are in Istanbul, especially near Chapa, don't miss the chance to visit. Come and hurry, bring your friends, and enjoy a delicious meal that will surely make you happy. And sana itong video na ito ay magiging guide kung gusto nyong pumunta ng pinakamasarap at pinakasulit ang bayad na Korean Chinese restaurant. So, again, matatagpuan ito sa Chapa, Istanbul. Maraming salamat and happy eating sa inyong lahat. God bless you all!